A function is even if f of minus x is equal to f of x. This is even. And a function is odd if f of minus x is minus f of x. Okay, this is odd. Okay, so for instance, the function x squared is even. Okay, so if you do f of minus x is minus x squared, which is the same as x squared. Okay, and which means when for even functions, sorry about this, is that the function is copied in the negative part of the x-axis. It's the copy of the function from the positive side, but mirrored. Okay, so as you can see, if you just take the from here to here the function, and then you copy it mirrored in the negative side, then you get the complete function. Okay, so that's what it means for a function to be even. Okay, for odd functions, and so for instance, the sine of x is or something like, well, let me say, you have x and minus x. So you have this value here, you will have this value here, okay? Because f of minus x is minus f of x, okay? So if you do this for every value of x, so for instance you have this function, something like this, then you have again the copy of the function in the positive side, but mirrored not only to the left, but also upside down. So you have the same copy, but upside down. So this is the same as this, but in the negative part. Okay. So an important part is that odd functions always have f of 0 is 0. Why is this so? Well, if f of minus x has to be minus f of x in odd functions, well, if you take x equals 0, you have f of 0 is minus f of 0. Then if you sum if you sum f of 0 to both sides, you have 2f of 0, and then you have 0 here. So see, if 2 times f of 0 is 0, that implies that f of 0 is 0. Okay, this is the only possible solution. Okay? So those are even and odd functions. We will have some problems to work with even and odd functions so that you get used to them.